Hello and welcome to our new training series, Adding Flash Elements to Your Website. My name is Craig Campbell and I'll be your instructor for the duration of this course. Now before I tell you what you can expect from this series, let me first tell you what not to expect. This series is not about building an entire website in Flash. We're not going to build a website that's totally encased in a Flash file. If you want to learn how to do that, I suggest you check out our training series on building websites in Flash. This video series also is not designed to teach you how to build HTML websites. In fact, if you're watching this series, it's important to already have a working knowledge of HTML. What we are going to cover, on the other hand, is how to embed Flash elements into an HTML website. In this course, we're going to learn how to build basic Flash headers, menus, buttons, video players, music players, and slideshows. And we're going to learn how to embed these elements into an HTML website that has already been built. So as you can see, it's very important that you understand how HTML works if we're going to make this course work. And then, once we've covered the basics of how these elements are built and embedded into your website, we're going to take a close look at a better way to embed these Flash files. If you've worked with Flash for any amount of time, you've probably discovered that embedded Swift files tend to act funny when viewed in Internet Explorer, and we're going to look at how to fix that problem. Now, before we jump into the series, we need to talk for just a moment about how our files are set up. Now, throughout this series, you'll see me working inside a project website folder. Now, that project website folder still exists, but now it's separated into two separate folders. The first folder is the Start folder. If we double-click on the Start folder, it will open up the folder, and we will see all the files that we're going to start with. You'll notice we have four HTML pages inside this particular website. And inside this folder, we also have a couple of different folders that we're going to be working with. So these are the files that we're going to start with. If we jump back into our main project website folder, we'll see we also have a finished file. If we double-click on that to open it, you'll see that these are the files we're going to end with. These are the files we're going to finish with. This is the website we're going to see once we replace all the boring elements with vibrant, dynamic Flash elements with animations and things like that. So that's how our folders are organized, but just keep in mind that as you're watching the series, you're not going to see the Start and Finished folder. We're just going to be working inside a project website folder. The Start and Finished folders have been organized after all of the content has been completed. So once again, I just want to welcome you to the series. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you learn a lot from this, and I hope you guys have as much fun learning as I have had teaching the series. So thank you for watching, and we'll get started in the next video.